Most people don't realize that with the winter weather, that's harsh on our vehicles. They don't know there are 6 things that can be done to the vehicle to get it ready for spring to help extend the life of the vehicle and avoid those pricey repairs to their suspension. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. I know you aren't one of those people, and you know the 6 things to do to prepare your vehicle, since the winter weather, especially the brine on the roads, can wreak havoc on our vehicle. But for those of you who want to review, let's start. Number 1, check your brakes. Notice if they're making any noise. Number 2, check your alignment. Those potholes and rough winter road conditions, they can cause your vehicle to be misaligned, turning into costly repairs. Brings me to number 3. Check your tire condition, including the tread wear and tire tread depth. Number 4, check your wipers, because with spring comes April showers. Number 5, check your fluid levels, including the coolant, as cooling keeps the engine operating at the proper temperature. And finally, number 6, be nice to your vehicle. Give it a bath. Wash the dirt and salt off the vehicle, especially from the undercarriage, which could lead to rust over time. Take care of your vehicle, and it can be dependable for you. Thank you for watching.